In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable PDF scrolling by default in Adobe Acrobat, especially if you've noticed the frustrating absence of a scroll bar. If you're someone who frequently reads or annotates PDFs, you might have experienced the inconvenience of having to manually enable scrolling every time you open a new document. Today, we'll make your life a bit easier by setting it up, so scrolling is the default behavior in Adobe Acrobat. Let's dive right in. To start, you need to open your PDF document in Adobe Acrobat. This might seem like an obvious step, but it's crucial to ensure that you're in the right application and ready to make these changes. Adobe Acrobat is one of the most popular PDF viewers, known for its feature-rich environment, which can sometimes feel overwhelming. So having clarity with these steps will save you time and effort in the long run. Once your document is open, take a look at the top left corner of your screen. You will see the familiar hamburger menu. That's those three stacked horizontal lines, which serve as a universal symbol for a menu all over the digital world. Clicking this will reveal a drop-down menu containing a variety of options. The reason for this menu's placement is to keep all your primary settings and actions just a click away, making the user interface less cluttered yet fully functional. After you've accessed the drop-down menu, you'll want to navigate through it by selecting View. The View option is the gateway to all settings related to how you see and interact with your documents, so it's a frequent stop for tasks like this one. Once there, look for Page Display. Page Display allows you to control how your pages are ordered and viewed, ensuring that you can set up your workspace in a way that best suits your needs. Within Page Display, there's an option labeled Enable Scrolling. Clicking Enable Scrolling tells Adobe Acrobat that you prefer to scroll through your document continuously, rather than flipping through it one page at a time. This setting is particularly useful for lengthy documents, as it allows you to maintain context and flow as you read or review your material. By completing these few steps, you will have set scrolling as the default behavior for your Adobe Acrobat, making PDF viewing a smoother experience without needing to repeatedly adjust settings for each document you open. Remember, you won't have to go through these steps again unless you want to change the settings back. And that's it. You've now successfully enabled default scrolling in Adobe Acrobat, eliminating the hassle of manual adjustments with each new PDF. Feel free to try opening various documents to ensure that the setting is applied across the board. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you found this video useful, consider sharing it with others who might benefit from having smoother PDF navigation. Until next time, happy reading,